for as low as 1,500 naira. So hurry down to their stall. It's just behind Waffle Monster. So what a way to wrap up GT Go Food and Drink with Donutology. If you love donuts, then Donutology is for you. Donutology Nigeria. Delicious, yummy, creamy milkshakes, cinnamon rolls available with cream cheese frosting. 1,500 naira. You can go lower. Just make sure you head over to Donutology Nigeria. They're in the hall behind Waffle Monster. Shout out to Waffle Monster.
Also, Pizza has a 50% discount on all their sandwiches. Go there now. The Great Company, go try out their bread, try out their cakes, as well as their pies, okay? Make sure that we sell out. Vendors, don't leave with your POS, so Blessing, your husband is waiting for you by the cow. I beg, let him leave with his wife this night, please, thank you.
All
Good
right.
night for me.
It doesn't stop. It doesn't wrap up. There's still more food. There's still more drinks. Keep buying. Keep shopping. Vendors, remember, return your POS with the pack that you were given. Return the POS with the pack that you were given. No vendor should leave here with their POS machine. Please make sure you return the POS with the packs that you were given.
Oh, yes, indeed. If you have lost your ATM card, there are many, too many ATM cards here. So many of them. I have a Kevin, Atama, Eri Himika, Adedeji. Let's see, there's a Marian card as well. I've got an Edward card. So many cards. Adedeji, so many Tayo. Let's see, there's that girl that
Cheese frosting for as low as 1,500 naira. So hurry down to their stall. It's just behind Waffle Monster. So what a way to wrap up GT Go Food and Drink with Donutology. If you love donuts, then Donutology is for you. Donutology Nigeria. Delicious, yummy,